Yes, good morning friends. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss about transaction code SA38 and SE38. Now we'll see why this transaction will be used in SAP system. SA38 and SE38. First of all, we'll see SE38. With the help of this, you can search any kind of program or you can create a new programs. But for creating new program, you need to have a ABAP developer. Like if you want to create a new program, Ztest, and when you click on create, it asks for access key. It asks for access key. If you have access key, then only you can able to create a new program. Otherwise, you cannot. Okay. So what we can do, what else we can do with this transaction code? We can search our existing programs. Like if you know the name RSPO, press star. It will show you the all programs. You can see the coding of the program. You can see the coding of the program. If you want to see this coding of the program, you can see in display mode. See, this is my coding program. Why this used for mostly ABAPers to see this coding and try to read their own coding. And but when they create their own programs, they have to use the letter Z. They have to start program name from Z because A to X is already secured by SAP. They gave us Y and Z. Whenever you create any customized thing, you have to use either Y or Z. Because if you see with A, if you see with B, there are n number of programs written by SAP. If you use those names, your program will disappear. You already don't know which program you have written. For that reason, you have to use Y and Z also. This is the usefulness of SE38. Now we'll see what we can do with SA38. If you go to SA38, here, if you want to run any program, here, if you want to run any program, it will run that program automatically. See, just write the program name, and if you want to execute, it will execute this program. See, if I click on execute, it will start executing that program. See, skip public services and with logon data. If I keep this at on, it will do these two tasks, public services and services logon data. I just click on this. See, this is my output. This is my output. To run any kind of program directly without displaying it, we have to use transaction code SA38. If you want to display that program, you have to use SE38. For running that program, I'll run one more program, show it to you. SA38, RSPO. I just click, just search which program you have to run. See, these are the program with those names. Okay, RSPO. So here you will see delete old spool requests. What is this program consist of? Don't delete any program in production server. Okay, if you know what you're going to do, then first do it in development server and all, but don't edit or delete anything in production. For that, you require a maximum approvals. Okay, now our RSPO 1041. I click here, it will show why this program is running. What is the purpose of this program? See, it will delete old spool request. What it shows, older than days. If I give 2 here, it will delete all records greater than 2. Okay, in processing 30, completed 30, these are all variants, and these are all values. You don't want to give any value by your own. When you get a mail confirmation from your management, then only you can start work with this kind of things. Okay, never give any value with your own. You have to take permissions, you have to take approval, but because this is one time activity, once you perform this activity, then it will run for the whole lifetime of the system for any program or anything. Okay, delete old spool requests all depending on the company's standard. Somebody wants to keep their spool for 1 day, somebody wants to keep their spool for 2 days, somebody wants to delete immediately. If I give 0 over here, it will delete every day in the night it will delete. Okay, if I give 0 over here, it will delete every day in the night. Then I create, execute. Okay, this will check all these things. This will give this kind of reports. Okay, delete all pull requests get deleted. So this is what I would like to explain in the transaction code SA38 and SE38. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks all.